Right, so we got a video that we're making here where we're going against Diavolo in AUT. So he's going to drop a Requiem arrow, and I believe he's actually using King Crimson Requiem. That's the thing, I believe so. That's what it looks like to me. And so me and Subnow are fighting him right now. We're doing good, got a decent start. I've not took that much damage, and I've got a heal off just, so that's nice. I really like using the knives, the bloodsuck, and the sign. While I don't have the world out, they're really useful as like combo extenders basically, and just to start a combo, they can be decent as well. Obviously, bloodsuck gives you health back. Unfortunately, he dodged the road roller just. Which means we've got no more of a HT bar, sadly. Subnaus doing a bit of damage now. I think that's Diavolo's moves is making him fly up there like that. I just got hit hard as well. So overall, it's not the most difficult fight. Definitely, if you've got two people, it's real easy, but definitely possible to do on your own. You can get a time stop off here, deal a bunch of damage. And of course he hits me as soon as I get out of it. It's just healed a little bit as well. That's unfortunate. He just did some weird move, I don't even know what happened. Yeah, he's nearly dead, just below 10% health. Now he's above it a little bit. Hit with a barrage. We've got enough to use a road roller. Let's hope it actually hits him this time. That's it, thanks for watching.